asking for a friend. Does anyone know how much a new ceiling fan costs by chance?
Where would you like to go?
Home.
It looks like you don't have a home.
I make a motherfucker say, oh yeah, I'm cold as a lion with no hair. If you ever see me fighting in the forest with a grizzly bear, help the bear, cause that bitch gonna need it.
Sorry, I can't go. I have a job. I have a job? A freaking job? You're 14 and don't have a job? Loser! You're a loser! Yeah, I'm self-sufficient. Hey, Mom, can you go get some Tostinos?
Dude, this husky's just like walking around and there's literally no one around. Hey, baby. Come here. Oh my God. I was not prepared for that. Hi.
So we got corn on the cob, and they say cows love her. Damn, look at them come, boy. That's a big one right there. Oh, shit. Girl, come get it right here, girl. Come get it. Oh, my God. Bitch.
I'm good. Just this, please. 40 cents. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
Wait, what does this say? The chair for dogs with stupid eyebrows? Oh. Well, would you look at that?
Okay, ma'am, your daughter's out of surgery, and there's good and bad news. Okay, what's the good news? Good news? She's alive. Okay, what's the bad news? Bad news? I'm joking. What?
I make a motherfucker say, oh yeah, I'm cold as a lion with no hair. If you ever see me fighting in the forest with a grizzly bear, help the bear, cause that bitch gonna need it.
Your tongue is so by your side. You got it, took too long to get it. You ask me what I'm thinking about, I tell you that I'm thinking about. Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
Y'all be careful for these catfishes out here. I literally almost got catfished.
Can you not see me making a video?
For those who don't know, an African gray has a biting strength of around 500 or 600 pounds per square inch. They can easily take off a finger, and she's deciding whether to fucking kill me right now or not.
I took the cake, yeah, all about cake, yeah, can we relate, all about cake, yeah, I took the cake.
Bro, I just bought this Coke, bro. The name's Jake, bro. This sus, bro. I'm not about to drink this. Hey, bro, can I get a different? This name's Jacob. Huh? I can't do a name Jacob. That's sus.
It ain't Jacob.
I can't do Jacob.
What, got to be a certain name?
Anything but Jacob. Jacob sus, bro. That is mad sus. Give me something like Kyle or something. Teresa, that's a black girl. Give me that one. There we go. She thick too.
So it's 4 a.m. right now, and I just pulled another all-nighter for the 5th day in a row. I just found out that my sister also stayed up all night, so we're gonna go get Dunkin' together. I don't know if it's just my family, but I'm literally forced into liking the colleges that my sisters go to. Guess what I got for Christmas last year?
Go blue.
So since it's my sister's first time, she has never gotten Dunkin' before, so we're gonna see what they give her. I'm getting an iced coffee with caramel swirl. And my sister gets an iced coffee. So fun and quirky. Hi, can I get an iced coffee with caramel swirl? Can I get one more iced coffee? Can we also get a thing of munchkins? Random. Go crazy. Go stupid. Everything is not what it seems.
Why is you so big?
I got a large.
Wow. That's really sweet.
On the other hand, my coffee is very good. I haven't had coffee in 2 days. I've missed it. I love you. Mini munchkins. Mini munchkins. So this is the mini munchkins.
These are really good.
Are we about to kiss right now? No? Why?
Pogo stick? Nah, it's a super big stick, stickin' wicked stick. In about 2 seconds, I can turn you into barbecue. You stupid nerd. Ha! Got a blast. Whoa!
He has no lips. How will he get a kiss? Very ugly. No kiss for him.
I've got a big ego. I really don't know why it's such a big deal though. Going up, going down, down, down. And you
Hey, look.
I was today years old when I found out you cannot smile and have your tongue touch the roof of your mouth. You have a gorgeous smile. Can you give it to me? Because I ain't got no teeth.
Excuse me? I think that you're in the wrong room.
I'm in the right room.
How did you even get in here? Okay. Can you please go out into the hall so I can get dressed?
Don't flatter yourself. I'm not looking.
Hello, sir. I thought I'd show you a magic trick. You can pick any card you want, or plate. You can have the plate if you want it. Sorry to disturb you, sir.
Because none of it was ever worth the risk.
Where are my keys? Did you lock the door?
I can't see.
Yeah, just 1 second. Shut up! I'm on the phone. Sorry, Karen. Get a card. Put that back. Because I said so. I don't need a reason. I'm your mother, that's why. Is that the one? Is that the same thing? We can't make it. I'm sorry. These are my driving glasses. Girls, look. Okay, get the bags out of the trunk. I'm not helping. Whose turn was it to empty the dishwasher? And who didn't do it? Feed the dog. Where are my glasses? Kara, can you do my lashes?
People think the Olympics was postponed because of Corona. It was really because I was busy. Layup!
Nah, I heard it was because they were scared I was gonna show up.
I'm at the Starbucks on Cherry Street, and this person literally just told me that I am fat and ugly.
No, ma'am, I said, did you have the buttered croissant?
Yeah, good catch. Good catch. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, she mad. Oh, you whipped. Yeah. Today, I made one of the best sandwiches of my life. I wanted a hamburger, but we only had half a patty and no buns. So here's what I did to improvise. So first, I ground up the meat, and then
Statement necklace, or let your neck make the statement.
Yeah. Whoa. Nice neck. Thanks.
Hi guys, so today my sister's straightening my hair and I'm eating some pretzels.
Eating some pretzels?
You're really gonna eat my pretzel when you have a double chin. How about you go work out instead of eating? Like, we'll get you a double chin. So
I don't
big.
have a double chin.
What's this then?
My brother's girlfriend gave us these cans of oxygen. So I'm gonna try it because I feel like I've had a hard time breathing this morning. And I'm kind of excited. Okay. Body's like a melody.
Motherfuckers ain't got nacho fries on the menu no more. But I found this Caucasian fella playing Kid Cudi. Hit it. Yeah.
This is the last one, I promise. You're not glowing, you're just oily. Girl, you're so fake that even China denied they made you. I'd rather steal your snacks than your man. I'm Fiji water, your toilet water. Are you a traffic light? Because stop.
There's someone crying. I got a straw. Suck it up. I got a slice of pizza. Move it to the side. That's my side piece. Got a fry. Put it in ketchup. Got a dip.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm John Quinones with the TV show What Would.
Beans, 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 beans.
Danny DeVito.
Whoa. Get that! Get it off my bed, you idiot! Get it off my bed! Get it off my bed, you imbecile! Get it off my... There's a... Get it off my bed!
Is this that Dave guy again that's just called me?
No, this is someone else. I'm not Dave, unfortunately. I think you called the wrong number.
No, you called me.
I didn't call you. Who are you? Who's calling?
Is this Ollie?
It is. Who's this?
Ollie, it's Kate. Why have you called me?
I haven't called you.
Yeah, you have. I've just had a no caller ID come through and it's you.
Kate, I haven't called.
And then I've had someone called Dave call through to me before.
I swear down, I've literally just been turning up curtains for Cara. I have not called you, unfortunately.
What is going on?
That's fucking weird.
I don't know, because like about 10 minutes ago, I had another caller ID. That's why I said, is this that Dave guy? And I don't know.
I was like, who the fuck's... Yes, this Dave guy. Trust.
Let's get it, man. I choose truth. How are you? Let's do dare, guys.
Scuff these Jordans, you can say you hate me, you can call me crazy, but don't touch my truck. Don't touch my truck.
One thing that my man is never allowed to say is that he wants to see other people. I am other people. I have like 15 personalities. Which one do you want? Who the hell is at my door? I'm here. And I think we have I think we have a problem. So you want to have a dance off? Hell yeah, I want to dance off.
So I got this really cute healing ointment from the Sky. It has a really fresh scent and is a great pale blue color.
Black truck, pick up your speed. Speed limit is 60. Black truck, pick up your speed. Attention all pedestrians, please clear the area. I'm going to be attempting to parallel park. Thank you. Oh my God, really? Really?
Okay. I just think honestly, lately, I'm really not sure if this has been working. Like with that. Wait, hold up. Oh shit. Okay, pull up over there. I have something to tell you. Just hurry up over there.
Shit, what I'm finna get?
That chicken sandwich was so fire.
Yeah, that chicken sandwich look good. No, excuse me, can I get a I'm gonna just get a chicken sandwich and fries, please. Okay. Damn, not the Popeye, folks. Oh my God.
Baby, there's a shooting star. That one's for me and you.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. Bitch, you ain't looking like I care. No. Pills and potion.
I tell a nigga don't dick ride, don't blink ride, leave it to the double thick thighs, twin sisters.
Bitch, if you want a burger, eat a burger.
Now this is a story all about how
Fuck no, baby.
Yankee with no.
I'm getting a Dr. Pepper. What do you want? Hey. What? It's on me.
I'm moving too fast.
I'm so busy scrolling on TikTok, I forget to realize that these is not fruit snacks. But at this point, I'm so far in, like, I love y'all.
My camera caught this video at 3:20 a.m. and then the next morning I went to go see what it was and I found the glove with the fly on the tip.
If the dress is too low in the front, you can add a cami underneath, and if it needs more coverage all around, you can add a cute button up underneath. You can also add a denim jacket, which is one of our favorite pieces. And if you have a dress that's too short, a great trick is to add another skirt underneath to give it some length.
Can I order in cursive?
Guys.
Can I get a...
Stop.
Large. Shush, I'm being nice to the McDonald's girl. Can I please get a large caramel sundae, but only caramel on the top, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
This kid has a snap score of 1.1 fucking million.
That snap score is insane. Boys, let's do some street calculations. Snapchat came out on July 8th, 2011. So, assuming she got her Snapchat the day it came out, which is unlikely, but maybe it's true, she's had a Snapchat for around 3,255 days. Divide her snap score by the number of days, and you get 65,960. Boys, I don't think you know what that means. That means that on average, her snap score has gone up 66,000 points every single day for the last 9 years. You can't even tell me those were all girls. Anyway, my final verdict is that well, Future, you got this one.
She belongs to the street.
So I posted this, and then my uncle posted about 100 of those. Well, get the ice. Let's go. I can't do this.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Put my ice now. Beautiful. You're gonna want to mix it again. Grab a spoon. I got a fork. Why did I get a fork? You know what? Just mix it. It's all gonna eventually melt, but that's the whole point. Now the final beautiful touch. Now this is not the final touch, okay?
How do I turn this on? Oh wait. The first app on my phone is Uber Eats. That way my sister and I can eat when my parents forget to feed us. I also like Pinterest.